potting mixes or in the garden, we can use different amendments. Perlite is a volcanic glass. It's essentially also a mineral. It helps to bring aeration to the soil, makes the soil more porous, and again allows for water infiltration. Perlite is very lightweight, so your pot will be very light. If you need to add heaviness to your potting mix, especially if you keep your pots outside, you might consider adding sand. It's actually made of like large particles, mostly quartz or feldspar, some mica. Plants need this for good drainage. The water just flows very smoothly through, but it doesn't really provide any nutrients. The great example to hold nutrients and water at the same time is vermiculite. It's a clay mineral because it's sort of made of sheets that hold water and nutrients. Peat is another great material that we want to have on our potting mixes or even in gardens because it's a partially decomposed organic material. Peat can hold a lot of water and release some nutrients while this material is breaking down. You also should know this can be quite acidic, so if you need to change pH of the soil, you can add some peat. Next, we have diatomaceous earth. Made of diatoms that are microscopic algae that are made of some tiny shells. They mostly consist of silica and they help with the soil structure. They have moderate water holding capacity, improving aeration, drainage. It can be used as a soil conditioner, pest control, and it also controls mold.